video, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche, a YouTube automation niche that you can actually use and you will be getting results. I'm going to be sharing with you an example channel that is making like 100k subscribers in just 20 days. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche that you can start today and you will be able to make like 100k in just a matter of 20 days. And not just that, you can actually scale the whole that thing, and it is a high CPM niche. That means what? That you will be able to make much more money, and the best thing of all is that you don't need to do any amount of hard work for that. You can simply copy and paste the whole thing and everything will be done. I am going to be showing you that how you can do it step by step, so that whenever you follow all the steps, you will be able to have a channel exactly just like that. Channel that I'm going to be showing today is known as Movie App, and now you can see a channel that is Movie App, and they are making movie recaps. Yes, this is a channel that is making movie recaps, and I am going to be sharing with you that how you can basically use all of the strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you, and you can get a channel just like this. Now, here is the very funny thing that you might think that how can this be possible, but it is. You can see that they upload videos just like this, they upload shorts, and also this whole full length videos. So if you go on to the about section, you will be able to see that they have got 262k subscribers, and this channel has been started on July 2nd, 2022, and today is today is like 21st of July when I'm recording the video. And you can see within 20 days this channel has got like went from 0 to 262k subscribers real easily. And you can, if you go on to Social Blade, you will be able to see that this channel has started on 2nd July 2022, and this is a channel that is in Hong Kong based, and this channel has got 157 million views. And that is not the thing. The thing is, they have uploaded like 43 videos, and they have got 260,000 subscribers. And if I go down up here, you will be able to see that they are getting a constant viewership of like 11 million, 26 million. So if we go on daily averages, you will be able to see that they are getting almost 5 million views every single day. And on the weekly, that is on daily basis, they on 30 days they are getting 157 million views, and they are getting daily like 5 million, and it is increasing day by day. So now what is happening basically? The thing that is happening is that you can actually use the same strategy that they are actually doing, and you can have results just like this. You can see it's in front of you, there are no gimmicks, it's not my channel even. So that means what? You have the potential, and I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can basically do the whole thing real easily. To do something just like that, what you need to do is to go on to Movie App, and you can see Movie App up here, and you can see this is the full story that they are uploading. And if we go on to the videos, you will be able to see that they are uploading videos just like this ones, all these short videos. So you can go on to, for example, if you go on to here, you will be able to see that all these videos are already present on YouTube. So you can actually copy all of those videos, and after that, whenever you get the videos, you can go on to Google, and whenever you go on to Google, you need to write Fiverr. Okay, you need to write Fiverr voiceover as I was searching. So you can go on to Fiverr voiceover, and after that you need to make a script, and whenever you get a script, you will be able to get a voiceover. So what they are doing is pretty simple. They are actually using others, that is a movie's clips, and they are attaching a voiceover with the help of that. Now they're doing what? If you don't have a script, and if you don't have enough time to do a script, you can hire someone, or you can do what? For example, let's think of Avengers. You can see Avengers, and you can go on to make some synopsis. Okay, so what is synopsis? Synopsis is basically, you can see that this is a film synopsis, that is a short summary, you can say. So you can see when Thor and evil brother Loki on all that, that means what? That means they are actually giving us a synopsis, a film synopsis. So you can do similar things just like that. You can see onto the IMDb platform, you are going to be getting many synopsis, that is a short summary basically. And whenever you get all of it, you can go on to get to a voiceover. If you don't want to do that, you can use a Spichello, that I sometimes prefer. So I've given a link in the description that you can actually use Spichello, and you will be able to generate AI voiceovers, get better clarity. Now whenever we do something just like this, you will be able to see that they are uploading videos just like this ones, and you can see just 2 weeks ago, and this channel has started just 2 weeks ago, and it has got great and enormous amount of growth. To be true, I was just watching this channel from July 5th or 7th. I got to know about this channel, and I was just I was observing, keeping an eye onto this channel. I thought of sharing. So if you have find any value from all this, so don't forget to subscribe to get videos just like this, that will be helping you up to get better into this whole YouTube automation thing. Now, talking about all of this, you will be able to understand that if we really make something that is completely different, that is, for example, what? For example, if we go on to Movie Ape right now, you will be able to see that this is a dragon partner, and so they are giving some highly inquisitive or curious titles, and they are actually putting all of that, which is very simple. It is gonna be, all this thing is gonna be taking hardly 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and you can get a full set of shot. And they are uploading like 10 or 20 videos every single, you can say every single week, and they are uploading one video every single day. But recently they have stopped uploading, and you can see that they have stopped uploading onto, and you can see 1 day, 2 day, and 5 day, 6 day. That means previously when I was just looking, they were uploading every single day, and now they have stopped uploading. At the beginning, they have uploaded like 2 to 3 videos every single day, and after that they have reduced the number of quantity of the videos, and they are right now focusing on what? Onto these things, onto full size videos, because right now they can put it, and they can go on to this full size videos, which are going to be getting much more viewership. And you can see that it has got 40k views on 20 days, on 2 days basically. And you will be able to see that this channel is doing really, really great. About all of it, is it a high CPM niche? Yes, basically it's a good profitable niche that you can actually get into, and after that you can do the similar things, you can replicate it. And you can see this has been done by a very small number of people, and there are people who are just doing it and getting results. There are some YouTube automation channels that you might not know. I just discovered it, I thought of sharing. So just comment down below that what you think about the whole situation that this guy is, or the whole team that is doing, and what do you think that is will be beneficial